Deputy Chief Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar has said that the state government had invited a tender to rent out the ground floor of Meghalaya House, Kolkata, and there was no favoritism in allotting the complex. Dhar also reacting to allegations that the government was serving the interest of some individuals by allotting the ground floor of the commercial complex in Kolkata to one Rocky Dhar. Stating that the tender was transparent, Sniawbhalang said that tenders cannot be manipulated.
You see, Meghalaya House government was invited to run out that portion. Whoever hires, that is the bidder. Simple as that. So many companies are big, not only Rocky. That's one just because of my brother. He cannot put tender. If government is in my open tender, everybody have the right to bid. Simple as that. And she must clarify that also clearly. Now, no tender can be monopoly. Now, national tender, everything is done accordingly what is the suppose every department called there is nepotism. Simple and one. Either in part like in Meghalaya is not alone is high one.
As part of the